Hello folks, we are here middle of July mowing hay. We've got some pasture ground here. We're just gonna keep on knocking down. We've got a little bit of the outside done. I went and bought a new To Me mower last night, the big John Deere. I just don't have the acres to justify it, so I sold it and I went and bought this Heston 1120 hay bine. Seems to be running pretty good so far. Really, it looks like a well-designed machine. But I know these sickle bar mowers, if you keep them in good shape, they do a great job mowing hay, cutting hay. It just takes a little more time, but I think it saves on fuel a little bit. Pretty good match for this white. I sure wish I had an open station, but yeah, this works for now. But no, we're just gonna keep knocking this grass down. And pulled this home last night. We pulled it about 70 miles home. But it's been running pretty good so far. I have the swaths narrowed up just a little bit, but with this hot weather we're gonna have this week, I think it won't take very long to dry. But you can see there's cows in this pasture, so some of it's matted down. The guy I'm mowing for, I'm doing this on shares with him. He wants us to mow a little higher, so we've got the shoes set up a little bit, and I would say the grass is probably 7 or 8 inches tall after we mow it. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep working. I'll set the camera up and get a few shots of this old mower working. But, if you guys like this stuff, I hope you'll like and comment, subscribe, and I hope we keep finding new people to connect with. So I'll let you guys watch this thing at work. We'll see you in the next one.